Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to enable or disable hardware acceleration in Windows. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright guys, you want to right click on your desktop here, and then you want to click on display settings. And then from here you want to click on graphics. And then click on under default settings, click on change default graphic settings, and then it will say hardware accelerated GPU scheduling, reduce latency and improve performance. You need to restart your PC to have your changes take effect. So if you want to enable it, disable it like so. So if I want to disable it, I need to restart my PC to apply these changes. So yeah, that's it guys for this video, how to enable disable hardware acceleration inside Windows. Thanks for watching this video to the very end. Please consider to like this tutorial and subscribe to our channel if you found this video helpful.